Welcome to the demo of Shuffle application. Here are some user-friendly features of Shuffle app. It can be viewed in ODI in English. Shuffle can be operated without internet. Shuffle will be used for map-based location tracking. Dashboard and reports based on attendance of users can be created from Shuffle app. Shuffle app has numerous features for F and ARD department users. You can mark office attendance, mark field attendance, compare your attendance performance, view the latest department news, and resolve any issues on the ground through the app. To mark attendance from your institution building, click on Mark Institution, go to the institution location section, check if the marked institution location has been approved. You will be able to see your institution as a red bubble on the map. Once your location has been approved, click on Mark Entry when you are at the location or within 200 meters of the location approved. Next, take a picture of you with the institution in the background. Verify this information and click on Submit. You will get a confirmation saying your entry has been marked successfully. Once you have marked entry, it is necessary to mark exit from your institution. To mark exit, select the institution for which you want to mark exit from the drop-down. Select the attendance type as office. Look for the blue dot to see if you're within 200 meters of the approved institution location and click on Mark Exit. Take a picture of you with the institution in the background. Verify this information and click on Submit. You will get a notification saying your exit has been marked successfully. To mark attendance when you're conducting field activities, click on Mark Entry. Take a picture of yourself conducting the activity. Select the reason of your visit. Verify all details. Click on Submit. Your entry will have been marked successfully. Once you have marked entry, click on Mark Exit. Take a picture of yourself conducting the field activity. Verify details. Click on Submit. Your exit would have been marked successfully. To compare your performance with others, visit the report section. The first report that you will see is the summary report. This will give you an idea about how often you have used your app, what are the average working hours per day, what is your average entry time, average exit time. The second kind of report is the staff leaderboard report. You will be able to see all staff members of your institution and check for their app usage percentage. The third kind of report is the institution leaderboard. You can check the attendance percentage of your institution and compare it with others across districts in Odisha. To view the latest department news, click on the menu section on the top right of your home screen. Next, click on Department News button. You will now be able to view the latest tweets by Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department in the Shuffle app. To raise any on-ground issues, click on Issues tab on the home screen. Select the issue category, the issue subcategory, add a description of the issue, and click on Submit. This feature will be coming soon in Shuffle app. Thank you for watching the demo on Shuffle application.